I copied this video from Tech Informant and I got 20,000 views on that video. I copied this video from Princess Chiamaka and I got 3,000 views on that particular video. In fact, what if I told you that the best copycats on YouTube are the most successful creators? And in this video, I'm going to show you my 3-step formula to copy anyone and go viral. Let me explain. When I first started this channel last year, I had an intent of growing this channel and helping smaller creators grow too, but I wasn't getting the result I wanted because most of my videos were not getting past 50 views. Most of my videos were getting 20 views, even though YouTube was recommending my videos to a large audience. I felt YouTube wasn't recommending my videos to the right people, and that is why my videos were not getting the views it wanted. So at the end of the day, I got burnt out and had to take a break and focus on my other channels. But while I was taking this break off from this channel, I was learning new ways to grow my audience, and from there I learned how to stay like an artist. And today I'm going to show you my 3-step formula I've been using. The first formula I've been using to grow this particular channel is the idea of the video. So if your idea of your video is not good, you're not going to reach any audience. Imagine having 5 pens and 5 pencils and you go to a university to sell those items. Which items do you think is going to sell faster? Of course, you guessed right, the pens are going to sell faster because most students in the university want to use pen in writing. But if you try to sell those pencils, most people are not interested in pencils, so they are not going to buy that pencil faster. That's the same thing you need to do in your videos. You need to look for an idea that has a broad audience. So how you do this is that you go to someone that is similar in your niche, someone that has a big following. You look for their outlier videos on their channel, a video that outperforms their other videos. Like if they are getting an average of 1k views on their videos and a particular video does 30 times better and it gets 30,000 views on that particular video, then that particular video is an outlier video from the other videos. It means the audience on that particular video is broad and many people are interested in that particular topic. So all you have to do is go to the person's channel, filter their most popular videos, and then copy the link of that particular video you want to make. And now this is where you need to follow the second step rule, which is tweaking the particular video. When you copy the link of this particular video, you want to take the title, the thumbnail, and also the description. After taking this, you want to watch the full video. When you watch the full video, you want to see what the person did in the video, the format the person did, how the person talked to the camera. Was it very edited or was it just a talking head video like I'm doing right now? And you want to look at how exactly the person made that particular video and you want to replicate that particular format. This way YouTube is going to know that this particular video you're making is similar to the video you copied from, but whatever you're giving in that video has to be totally different from the original video you copied from. And what I'm trying to say is that you want to over deliver in your videos. You want to deliver more than what the original creator did. The moment you start over delivering to your viewers, YouTube is going to notice this, that more people are staying longer on your video than the original video, and they are going to push your videos alongside that original creator. And the moment they push it alongside that original creator and viewers see that your videos are interesting and engaging to watch, they're going to stay longer and watch that video because you delivered more value in your video, and this will lead to more subscribers and more engagement on that video, leading YouTube to push it to a wider audience. And the good thing about this is that the original idea had a broad audience, so that is what is going to make your video go viral. What I'm trying to say is that you need to put your own spin on that particular topic. In my own case, I had an unfair advantage because this particular problem didn't just happen to someone else, it happened to me. And on that particular video, I explained what exactly happened to me and how people can avoid it, and they could relate well that what I was saying was true, and that was what made that video go viral and even got more views than the original creator. So now what you need to do is just put your own spin. Make sure whatever you're delivering in that video is different from the original creator while maintaining the topic of that particular video, which brings us to the next step, which is putting the right tags, description, and title. So now what you want to do is you want to copy the creator's title, the creator's description, and the creator's tag section. But you don't need to put the same thing in your own title. You want to tweak it also. So you want to make a different but similar thumbnail like the creator, and also the same title but just a little tweak while maintaining the relevant keywords of that particular title. And in the description, you want to make a good and informative description just like the original creator, but do not just copy and paste the description of the original creator, because YouTube is going to notice this. They're going to know that you're trying to copy the metadata of that creator, and they might push your videos downwards. Your tag section should be similar to the creator, but also make sure that it is different from the creator. And if you want to know how to do this, I'm going to leave the video on your screen to know how to find the right tags for that particular video. And that will be all for today, guys. If this video was helpful or if it was valuable, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.